Hi everybody! Today we are here to see what in this fine pack that Amazon sent to me some days ago. Even if every one of us already knows because of the title of this video. The W6 camera, an outdoor EP camera from Wansview. Now let's see what is inside this pack. Let's start to see the box. It's a carton box, normal, but it's quite
well made, protective.
Here are the addresses to contact the house for every
problem you can find or you can see about this camera.
And then let's take a cutter, so it should be simple. Okay, let's open. Okay, let's see what is inside this box. We have a sticker, some manuals, warranty, important. Okay, we have the antenna. Okay, then we have to mount it at the wall if you want to fix out. Yes, of course you want. It's an outdoor camera. Then here inside we have
the power supply,
the camera, with his connectors, to get inside. This is the RJ45 for the
LAN connection,
the internet, of course, and the speaker, because you can speak through this camera. You can hear what happens outdoor, and you can speak to someone outdoor through this. Then the connection cable for the net, for the internet, and some screws to mount it outside. Okay, the screwdriver every time is useful, and the certificate of conformity. Yes, some things right in Chinese and some things in English. Then this is a Dutch manual. Oh, wow, it should be difficult in Dutch. Yes. In German. So Français, Italian, and then Espanol. Okay, so this is what is inside the box. We can watch this camera. We can, wow, it is protected by this cap. Okay, it seems to be made by quality material. Yes, it seems to be strong enough to stay outside. Yes, it seems to be strong then. Okay, This is metal. Yes, I think it should be metal. Yes. Yes. Okay. Then, in the next video, we can do a review of this camera, and let's see how it works. How it works outside. Okay. Thank you for watching. Stay here for next. Bye.